Today I'm troubleshooting intermittent stall problem in Volkswagen 2012. Yeah, 2012 Volkswagen Golf R. The owner is my neighbor, and this car was almost a month in a mechanic shop, and he said to him that he fixed the problem, but after he reached home the problem still exists. And so long story short, he didn't actually fix the problem. He was working in a completely different area. I took a look and I found one vacuum hose was already loose. We reconnected that, but the hose is in bad shape and need to be replaced as soon as possible. But that's not the main reason for the intermittent problem. Okay, if the problem is not present all the time, it's hard to find it. So you will spend time while testing until it happen, until it repeated itself. So for now, so I did already spend some time to verify the problem, and it is there. Forget about the scanners. You can do this in any scanner. What I did, I took a look on multiple sensors. One of them is the fuel rail pressure sensor. Okay, that one, when it was losing the pressure, instantly, suddenly it will become zero. The car will stall and shut down. I'll try to replicate the case and I will come back to you. Okay, let's do a quick code check, because last time my neighbor parked it here, it did stall. So I'll fast forward the video. Now I don't need to continue all this. I only need this one, the engine electronics. So I'll pause the scan here, go to the engine electronics. This is what we are looking for. Let's go to the live data. Let's clear the codes or keep it. I will take airflow sensor, engine speed, air pressure, actual value. Let's take this. I'm not sure what will be the result of this one, but I will take it anyway. Let's see. Start the car. This is the one I was talking about. Fuel rail pressure, actual value. When this one suddenly dropped to zero, of course the engine will shut down, stall and shut down. But why it does suddenly drop to zero? That was the question, and doesn't need a genius to find out. Look what I'll just let it run. We'll try to replicate the case. I hope my voice is clear so you can hear me. This car is noisy. Right. Look at this. Look at this. wires already beaten, exposed, manipulated. See what will happen if I touch this wire. So this is the high fuel pressure. See? Anyway, see. Anyway, just by looking into the front of the car, I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but it's obviously this car was involved in a front collision accident, and that makes sense. Accident, some wires will be damaged if it's not fixed properly. What do you expect? Anyway, let's try to do that again. Right now there is a fuel pressure. Okay, try to touch that cable again. I push these wires. Okay. I am not expert, but some electrician should do a proper job here. That's it. My part is to identify the problem. This is very obvious one. That's it. I was just trying to make the wires fixed in specific positions, so at least it will not shut down suddenly while he's on the road until he get, or trying to put it on the recovery. Look at this. Try to zoom. This mechanic or electrician who worked on this car before, he deserved to straight to the jail. Look at this. Exposed wire. Look at that. Look at that. What kind of a shop will do this? Look. Add to this, or don't add. I just found a This can cause a fire, maybe, most probably. I would advise my neighbor not to touch this car, not to drive it, and put it on the recovery. Send it to a proper electrician. Let him check all these wires and do a proper wiring. This is a nightmare like that. I'm not sure, but I think it can start a fire. But anyway, I'm not sure about that. Better be safe than sorry. Unfortunately, I didn't show you how when I touch that wire that the pressure bar will go to zero. But anyway, so I just secured the wires in a temporary way, and let's take it for a quick spin. It's really a shame that people don't care of cars like this. It's just a wonderful car. I hope you can see something. Wonderful car. It needs someone to take care of it. That's it. 1, 2, 3.